Alright folks, another syrup recipe today to give us a great versatile ingredient for some upcoming drinks. Let's talk grenadine. Grenadine, or pomegranate syrup, is a great ingredient and the homemade version is just fantastic. But orange flower or rose water can be tough to find, and good luck trying to find pomegranate molasses. If you're able to find these ingredients, I definitely recommend checking out the link to the recipe that inspired me. If not, I'm going to walk you through a modified version which uses orange peels instead. Of course, you'll still need pomegranate juice, but hey, that's something, right? Alright, let's get started. For this syrup, you'll just need 3 ingredients. Oranges, I'm using navel. Sugar, I'm using white sugar here, but feel free to play with other sugars as you see fit. Molasses, this is optional, but it'll add richness. And pomegranate juice. You can make this yourself, but I would highly recommend just getting the pre-made stuff. In terms of proportions, I'd recommend equal parts sugar and juice here, but for the peels, I'd do about a quarter part, and for the molasses, just a 1/16 of a part, so a very small amount. To start, first peel your oranges and try to get as little of the pith as possible to keep the bitterness to a minimum. Grab a sauce pot, and then begin to add the juice, your sugar, and finally your orange peels. Set your stove to medium-high heat, then stir to combine as the mixture heats up. If you're me, this is when you remember to add in your molasses. Just remember to stir well. Once boiling, reduce to low, partially cover your pot, and let simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. After simmering, dip a wooden spoon into your syrup and run your finger across the back of the spoon. If the syrup on either side doesn't move, you're good. Otherwise, keep cooking it down. Remove the orange rinds and let the mixture cool. Check the taste, and if you need more orange flavor, consider adding a dash of orange bitters or triple sec to boost the flavor. Once you have the taste where you want it, strain your mixture into a container and put it in your fridge. The syrup lasts about 3 weeks in the fridge, but you can boost this by adding about 1/8 of a part of 80 proof vodka or greater. And that's it! This rich syrup provides a delicious mix of tart and sweet to a drink that is hard to beat. This is great just with seltzer and a little citrus juice, but we'll be checking out 2 classic cocktails, one alcoholic and the other non-alcoholic, in my next 2 videos. Stay tuned! Don't forget to like this video, and let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for board game cocktail pairings. And remember, whatever you're drinking, it's okay to be bored at the bar.